HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hi kids, let's draw a hand sanitizer today. First, draw the hand. It's really simple. Now draw the sanitizer, just like this. And a pump on top. Connect the square and 4 lines across. Details are important too. Time to color in. We can use a peach for the hand. Blue for the sanitizer. Let's bring our drawing to life. Add arms, legs, and a face too to the hand and the sanitizer. So cute! Color the eyes, feet, and hand with brown. Now add details with beige, a light blue for the rest of the sanitizer, pink too, for their face, arms, and legs. Ta-da! Wow! A sanitizer helps keep the naughty germs away. Yay! We drew a hand sanitizer.